our starting five for both teams. Let's start with UP. That's Remogat, Ogana, Baila, Stevens, Palangka. For Zamboanga naman, it's the Moses, Manuel, Diouf, Lingkanay. At itong si Tolomia. Kita mo, Coach, nung pag-introduce sa starting five, yung smile at yung happiness ni Malik Diouf. Jacob Baila. Jacob Baila to BJ Pre. Mag-isa doon sa ilalim. 7-2. Noy Remogat. Whoa! Extending his arms. And stepping up his gas. Poposte and muscling his way, Coach. But may update tayo coming from Maris Victorio for the Fighting Marouge.
Kaya naman in this game, mas double effort at all out ang kanyang gagawin. Lalo na lahat sila ganado maglaro dahil nalibot nila at nakita ang ganda ng Sibugay kanina. Nakapagbuluan Island pa daw ang team, kaya naman mas lumakas ang chemistry nila. Coach Paula Nino?
Both player used to play for the FEU Tamaraws.
Oo. One-on-one for the former Tamaraws. Noy Remogat, cross-court pass. Briones, that's good for three.
Sean Alter now. Pumasok na for Garni Stevens.
Behind the back pass. Good catch by Sean Alter. Good reverse for Sean Alter, Coach.
A walking bucket there. Alain Bulanadi, former PBA player, now playing for the Zamboanga Valientes.
Pre spins. That's nothing but net for VJ Pre. Briones goes to Maga. Miss shot. Rebound by Alters. Another offensive rebound for UP.
A second now. Bulanadi. Good defense there for Iniguez. As Zamboanga is leading 2 points. 23-21. Magbabalik tayo. And again, whoever wins will face San Beda on our main game tomorrow.
Isang coach's challenge lang.
Good point there. Yun na nga, no? Medyo maaga lang ninyo, no? Good seal there for Malangkas. Chico Briones, nagkape pa sa ere. Pwede pang matulog. Chismis is my business.
Totoo ka dyan, Coach Paul. 26-23. Miss shot for Ogana. Nope, there's no call right there. Puyos open. That's good for three. Tie game. At the center. Ooh! Denied by Bulanadi. Baila. Euro step. Ogana. Oh! Bulanadi misses. But you know, Puyos. Binitbit. At ipinasok. Baila. Noy Remogat all day. Miss shot. The save. Stolen away by Ogana. Ogana at the corner. Fires for three. Miss shot again. Noy Remogat. Now look pass. Noy at the corner. Big shot for Remogat.
Or a rim running Diouf. Good ball movement there for UP. VJ Pre, kitang-kita niya, trusting his teammates, itong Miguel Palangka with that short jumper. Pre, piso-piso, setting up in the middle, spin, iwan.
Baila. Goes to Remogat. Fires for three. Big shot for Noy Remogat.
Well, ganito Malik Diouf, pinapatira talaga siya ni Gani Stevens earlier.
Oh, magkakilala yan dalawang yan because they're former teammates. Nice pass to the corner to VJ Pre. That's good for VJ Pre. Bawi din kagad. Grabe yung Mike Tolomia, vintage Mike. And that's the end of our second quarter. 2-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. UP. Ayun na, sa likod lang pala. Ogana. Spins. Wow! Iniwan. Ito si Malik Diouf after that spin. Noiri Mogat will use the screen of Gani Stevens. Fires, misses. Rebound diretso naman kay Jacob Baila. Ogana gets the 2-point shot. Baila. Five seconds to shoot. Rimogat with a floater. Checks back for, Ogana. Russell Ogana, medyo tahimik dito ngayon. Mike Tolomia. Up by 8 points. Tolomia. That is a traveling violation.
Clearly a traveling violation there. Good time. This time, good defense shown for the UP Fighting Maroons on that zone defense.
Zamboanga Valientes naman. Linganay for Denver Cadiz. Turnover kagad para kay Rudy Linganay.
Ayan. That's a good shot there for Alain Bulanadi. Di kambak ulangan. Bastos yun.
Yung kombinasyon na yan for Di Makulangan, the heart and IQ. That's another steal kay Miguel Iniguez. One-on-one. Noiri Mogat spins. Scans the floor. Rimogat does it. Alter with the left hand. For the UP Fighting Maroons, they have 10 now compared to 5 dito sa Zamboanga Valientes. But let's take a look at that drive ditong si Di Makulangan. Kahit tatlo pa kayo, sumakay kayo. Huwag lang kayong makulit. .56-59. Shot clock at 15. RV Puyos will dance with the veteran Rudy Linganay. Linganay rejecting that screen. Ito si Alter. Oh, good game round again by Sean Alters. Tolomia fires. Tolomia misses. Seconds left. And that's the end of our third quarter. Valientes with a 1-point lead. It's 59-58. Nino Abanit alongside Coach Paul Oben.
That was quick. Quick break. Again, basketball na tayo ulit. 59-58. A 1-point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes as Ogana, when in doubt, shoot.
Dimoses. Didiskarte dito itong Zamboanga Valientes. Sinanap si Tolomia. Binigyan naman kay Linganay. Tolomia. Dumiskarte. 4 seconds to shoot. Are they aware? Dimoses. Ito, 24-second shot clock violation. 61-59. Manuel wants it. That's a steal for UP again. To Tolomia. Vic Manuel. 5 to shoot. That's a turnover. 1. Baila with a big rebound. Rimogat tatakbo. Noiri Mogat gives to Gani Stevens. Baila. Almost a turnover. Gani Stevens. Can't get it. Rebound. Andito si UP. At the line. That is good for Russell Ogana. 2:45, Coach Paul.
Exactly. Mano-imano.
One-on-one again. Here comes the screen by VJ Pre. Noiri Mogat. Gustong ipagpag. Rimogat again with a clutch shot.
Very important possession now for the Fighting Maroons, Nino. I want mano-imano against Rimogat and Cadiz. 2-man game.
Rimogat against Cadiz. Here comes the screen of Alters. Rimogat. VJ Pre hesitates. Fires for 3. Big shot for VJ Pre. Rimogat will use the screen of Alters. Wow! Rimogat pinagpag si Cadiz. Extra feed to Alters. And that is good.
And I think that's it.
Cadiz. So ito nga. That's a sportsmanship for Zamboanga